The curve y equals to a to the x to power negative b passes through points c, 8 and 2c, 350. Find the value of b. Okay, we can use Desmos to solve this problem. First, let's take these 2 points in Desmos. Okay, click on the positive sign over here, go to table. Let's take the first point c, 8 and the second point is 2c, 350. Okay, now we have to take this equation as input in Desmos. And here, my aim is not to get the graph of this equation. My aim is to find the value of the unknown constant b in this equation. In that case, when I take this equation as input in Desmos, for y, I have to take y1, and for x, I have to take x1, and for equal sign, I have to use a tilde sign. Okay, now let me take this equation as input in Desmos, that is y1, and for equal sign, we have to use tilde sign. Then a has to be raised to the power of x1, then negative b. Okay, here we can see some small triangles over here and here. That means there is some error in our input. Okay, now let me see what does the Desmos say. Okay, too many variables. Try defining C. Okay, Desmos is asking us to define C. That is, we have to assign some value for C. Okay, since we don't have any restriction for the value of C in the given information, let me take C equals to 1. And also here, I have the option to set the minimum value and maximum value for C. Okay, we can set the minimum value and maximum value at our own choice. Okay, here let me take negative 10 as the minimum value for C and positive 10 as the maximum value for C. Okay, now let me click on it. Okay, here I got a slider to adjust the value for C. Okay, now we can use a slider to set different values for C. Right now C equals to 1. Okay, we can say C equals to negative 5.2 or any positive value. Okay, whatever value I take for C using the slider, the value of B remains constant. That is B equals to 11. So therefore, the value of B is 11.